Hello, my name is Sir Daniel and I'm going to teach you guys about optimal patch replacement policy.
But sir, what is optimal patch policy?
The optimal patch replacement policy, also known as OPT or Valadis algorithm, is a theoretical concept in computer science used to manage virtual memory and operating systems. The optimal policy replaces the patch that won't be used for the longest time in the future, requiring future patch reference knowledge. Let's see how it works. When a patch fault occurs, the optimal policy replaces the patch that will be referenced further in the future based on the remaining patch references. For example, if we have pages ABC and the future references are ABDAB, the optimal policy will replace the patch that appears last in the future sequence. This policy is considered the most efficient because it minimizes the number of page faults for any given reference string. However, it is not implementable in real system because it requires perfect knowledge of the future. Now, let's see the examples comparisons of page fault rates of different algorithms.
Sir, you just mentioned that optimal policy is not implementable in real system. So what is the use
Great
of it?
question. Even though it's not critical, the optimal policy serves as a benchmark for evaluating other patch replacement algorithms. We compare the algorithms against the optimal policy to see how close their patch fault rates are to the optimal rate. When evaluating other algorithms, if an algorithm's patch fault rate is close to the optimal policy's rate, it means it's performing well. This helps us understand the efficiency of various patch replacement strategies.
I understand now that optimal replacement policy is used to compare which algorithm is the best.
That's true. The optimal patch replacement policy is a theoretical benchmark that provides the lowest possible patch fault rate. While we can use it in real system, it helps us evaluate and improve other patch replacement algorithms. Now you know why optimal policy is used. Thanks for watching. See you next time.